All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, trading the coin, using credit cards like BlockFi credit card to get the rewards back in Bitcoin. Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is off the charts. I mean, like literally, the coin has literally jumped up 48% in the last 24 hours just because of a tweet. We're going to talk about that. Also, we're going to be talking about the top 10. Also, Tom Brady yesterday was talking about cryptocurrency in the news. We're going to feature that a little bit. So with that, you know, cryptocurrency, it's been going up and down and up and down. Right now, going into the fourth quarter, it looks like it's going to be doing pretty good. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. With that, let's go ahead and head over to Shiba Inu. All right, we're over here at Market Insiders, and look what it says. Shiba Inu coin jumps 30%, and it deletes a zero. I was talking about that, how there was 5 zeros, and Shiba Inu was trying to get rid of one of them. Look, it's right there. They deleted one of the zeros after a tweet from Elon Musk sent to his Dogecoin spinoff. Basically, here we go. So there's the Shiba Inu, and there's the Dogecoin. Remember, I was talking about this. Anytime you hear about the Doge, you're hearing about the Shiba Inu. So this is pretty big. So it says the Dogecoin spinoff, Shiba Inu coin, jumps 30% Monday following a tweet from Elon Musk. The Tesla boss tweeted a photo of the Shiba Inu puppy, Floki, causing Shiba to trend on Twitter. The altcoin has jumped over 8,000% in a year. Yeah, that's why we're talking about this. 8,000%. Coinbase data show. The Dogecoin spinoff known as Shiba Inu jumped 30%. Floki and Shiba Inu, which is the namesake of the coin and the iconic dog behind the Dogecoin. We don't forget on the September 12th when Musk got the little puppy and he says, you know, that the puppy has arrived, Floki has arrived. The latest tweet has caused the hashtag Shiba to start trending on Twitter. A retail trader cheers the price surge. Shiba coin, let's take a look at this. All right, take a look here. Number 35. This coin is up 80% in the last 7 days. 80%. It's up 48% in the last 24 hours. It killed one of the zeros. There was 5 zeros. Now there's only 4. They talk about becoming a millionaire with the Shiba Inu. Don't forget, all our information is for educational purposes only, but we're going to reference an article about this here in a second. Shiba Inu is at number 35. Just last week, I was talking about how it was around 48 and how it was around 49. Okay, well, look at now it's at 35. It's moving up, up, up. On Twitter, many noted that the coin deleted a zero from the decimal. Even so, the coin is still less than a penny despite jumping, okay? In the last year, the coin has surged over 8,000% in a year, according to Coinbase.com. Says right here, Elon Musk has been a key driver of the cryptocurrency prices swing this year, as he's a big influence of the cryptocurrency market. Mark Cuban is also a big influencer, and AMC's CEO Aaron, he's a big influence too. Over here at the Twitter for Shiba Inu, all right, so here we go. On the Twitter account, Shiba Inu, and it says, look at Twitter, you realize that Shiba touched, and here's the 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, not 5 zeros, but 4. I repeat, do not sell this coin with patience. It will make you a millionaire. So again, if this coin gets to a penny, I mean, there's 4 zeros in between. There's 4 zeros in between right now. There used to be 5 zeros, and they were talking about getting rid of one of the zeros. Well, they did, okay, and they're talking about hold on to this coin to be patient, and you can become a millionaire. Reading it from the Twitter account of Shiba Inu. So right again over here at Twitter, look what it says right here. It says, buy, and hold it. Let's get a nest. Okay, so again, a lot of the Shiba army, a lot of the Shiba people, they're going to hold on to the coin. They're going to create a community. Holding and buying more Shiba shoots up. You know, so all kinds of good stuff is going on here on the Shiba Inu. Again, back over here at Coin Market, number 35, Shiba has got 4 zeros in between here instead of 5, and it's 12.53. So that's pretty awesome. Got Ethereum Classic at number 28, trading at $53.37. This is also up 15% in the last 7 days, up about 1% in the last 24 hours. Hey, took a look at that. AMP token. up 24% in the last 7 days. Guess what? AMP token up 11%, up 8% in the last 24 hours. AMP token right here, this is actually up over 5% right now. I mean, holy cow, look at what's going on with AMP. Got Phantom Coin at number 45. It's up 4.75% in the last 7 days. Cosmos is at number 23. It's actually up it's at $36.80. It's actually up it's down 2% in the last 7 days. Top 10, Polkadot, up 10% in the last 7 days, trading at $31. The Dogecoin is at 23 cents. It's actually up 18% in the last 7 days, up 8% in the last 24 hours. So the Doge is making a bounce back. XRP is actually bouncing back 11% in the last 7 days. Solana is bouncing back 20% in the last 7 days at $166. Cardano is at number 4 at $2.20, up about 1%, 1.3 in the last 7 days. Binance Coin has made a real big bounce back, 25% in the last 7 days. Ethereum is up 14%, and look at Bitcoin approaching 49, almost 50,000, 15% up. The market itself is at $2.16 trillion, and it's up at 1.38%. So again, on Sunday and Monday, Tom Brady was all over the commercials talking about what he's getting into, cryptocurrency. So I think this is big because we're all into cryptocurrency, and as you see, everything keeps going up and up, which is fantastic. But when you get celebrities that are going to pump it too and talk about it, let's go ahead and watch this commercial.
Can I talk to you about something?
We've talked about it. I got another 10 years left.
Not that. This is big. What do you think?
I'm in. Let's call everyone.
Hey! Yeah, I'm in!
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in. I'm in.
I'm in.
I'm in.
This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would. Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto with FTX. You in?
I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Is he in?
Yep.
Did he say he hates you?
He did.
I get it.
So there you have it. Tom Brady, he's getting into crypto. He's won more Super Bowls than anybody on the planet. He's still currently playing. He just basically beat the team. 2 days ago, he beat the team, basically, that he used to play for, the New England Patriots. So 2 days ago, he actually beat the team for the New England Patriots he used to play for. And now he's getting into cryptocurrency. That's right. So when Tom gets into crypto and he starts telling all his friends, everybody else is going to get into crypto, and we're in such a good position that we're into crypto before everybody else is into crypto. Now you got to find those coins that you like. Shiba Inu, well, I mean, 8,000% in the last, for a year, it's up that much. Holy, holy. Okay, guess what? As we talk about these different coins, you want to definitely pay. AMP token is also up. We've been talking about that. Cosmos, I mean, all these different coins, you kind of like almost like horses in the races. You want to figure out who you want to bet on, who you want to put your money into. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So with all that, cryptocurrency is here to stay. Figure out where you want to do it. Mining the coin's good. Staking the coin's good. Buying the coin, trading the coin, all kinds of information on cryptocurrency. So we're over here at Coinbase, Shiba Inu. So look at, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros now instead of 5. And it's at 12.59. And this coin is going up, up, up. Look at that. So it's pretty nice here. So Shiba Inu is actually up. Just a couple of things. Shiba Inu is a token that aspires to be the Ethereum-based alternative to Dogecoin, the popular meme coin. Unlike Bitcoin, which is designed to be scarce, Shiba is intentionally abundant. With a circulation supply of 1 quadrillion, the Shiba Inu token ecosystem supports a project such as NFTs, art, and development of decentralized exchange called Shiba Swap. How it works. Because Shiba is issued as an Ethereum token, it is compatible with the vast Ethereum ecosystem. Advantages include compatibility with Ethereum wallets like Coinbase Wallet, MetaMask, availability on decentralized exchanges such as DEXs like Uniswap, the potential for Shiba to incorporate the Ethereum-based DeFi application like lending and saving products in the NFT marketplace. Keep in mind, Shiba, unlike Doge, is compatible with the Ethereum ecosystem, which allows the community to create crypto apps like Shiba Swap, DEX, that allows users to trade stake tokens without an intermediate in the future. The Shiba community plans to release an NFT platform a DAO-based governance system for Shiba ecosystem called. Right here, Shiba is in the rise. Shiba price has risen 81% in the past 7 days. The price has increased 45% in the last 24 hours. The price shrunk by 2.5%. The current price is there's 4 zeros there instead of 5. That's the easiest way to say it. The new price represents a new time high. So we're at an all-time high with Shiba Inu. So with that, I mean, price predictions. So Shiba Inu, they were talking about 5 zeros and crushing one of them, and they did. Guess what? I'm gonna ride this one. I like the coin. I like that it's moving up the chart. I think it's gonna crush another zero. I mean, I don't know, in a week or a day or whatever, but I think it's gonna happen before the end of the year or the end of the first quarter. All our information, again, is for educational purposes only. But definitely the Shiba Army, you want to check into that. Check into the Twitter account. All kinds of good things going on with Shiba. The point I like is anytime you mention McDonald's, you think of Burger King. It just kind of goes hand in hand. Anytime you think of Dogecoin, you think of Shiba Inu now. And Shiba Inu is coined themselves as the Dogecoin killer. So, I mean, in a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, you talk about Dogecoin. If Elon Musk talks about Dogecoin and then he gets a Shiba Inu puppy, okay, so anytime he does a tweet, the price just went up 30%. Thank you, Elon Musk. We appreciate it. So with that, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Click right here so you see our most recent videos. Monday through Friday, we bring you a new video at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time every single day. On the weekends, we bring it to you as late as 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So with that, go out and have an absolutely awesome day today, everybody. Let's go out and make a difference. And cryptocurrency, here we come.